3M Vivid Plus yellow headlight tint. Got this off Amazon, link in the bio. Doing this on my B9 Audi Allroad. Getting started here, just trying to work the bubbles out. Haven't applied any heat, got the heat gun, started shooting out some heat. That's actually just a hair dryer, got it from my grandma, RIP. Anyways, I'm cutting this out, taking off the edges, working around the edges with the X-Acto knife, tucking it in, using a little more heat. You know, it is a time lapse, so blah, blah, blah. It's not the cleanest job, but the job is done. And you see me working the edges, boom, boom, bam. Look at that, looking kind of sick. I kind of mess with it. Here's the right side. I didn't film it necessarily, but like, here's the finished product. Here's nighttime. Shazam, look at that. I mean, some people hate on it. I'm messing with it. I like it a lot, actually. I'm kind of loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Couple funky camera transitions. Just, it felt like I was in the Matrix all of a sudden. You know, Keanu Reeves was about to pop out and steal my whip, but not up in here. I'm more like Morpheus. This is the front, how it looks. Oop, there's a little flex on my wheel. Anyways, that's the color. Here's me kind of going through the different settings. Flick, 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 flick. And yeah, you know, high beams, blinkers, all that good stuff. Pretty tight.